Alright, welcome aboard. We're departing runway 3. Got our next threads up. There it is on our little mini. There, good. Winds 040. Gets down the runway according to the south. Power's set. Everything's in the green. Airspeed's alive. 80, 85, 90. Positive rate. Gears coming. Little wind shear action there. My goodness. And Beaufort traffic bearing 3 Delta is departing the pattern to the northwest.
And 718 Delta Lima, airport approach, airport open, Mercedes, 010. So yeah, let you know when I pick you up, climb maintain 8000.
Cherry Point bearing 683 Delta.
Bearing 683 Delta, airport approach, go ahead.
Yes sir, 683 Delta. We're just off of Beaufort looking to pick up the IFR back to Greensboro.
Bearing 3 Delta, squawk 7015.
3 Delta. Alright, I had to break the squelch to make sure I could hear them.
Bearing 3 Delta, radar contact, 3 miles north of Beaufort Moorhead, altitude indicates 1,300. You are clear to Golf Sierra Oscar, S-file, climb maintain 6,000.
Okay, altitude checks clear to Greensboro, S-file 6,000, 683 Delta. Alright, we got it all trimmed out. Go through a little layer here. Get the autopilot on. Autopilot's on. We're in GPS mode, climbing 700.
Yeah, what's our 8 Delta Lima? What frequency are you up on?
Alright, our temperature's 14, so we're good. And then we'll just shallow it out to 500 foot a minute now. Alright. Alright, we're about to get out of it eventually, right? A little bit further. Yeah, we'll see. And stay tuned for when we get a little closer. We'll start the cameras back up, we get a little closer to Greensboro. So stay tuned. 2435, 3 Delta. Alright, welcome back.
Approach, after 01 Golf, thank you.
Right,
looks like, yep, he's no factor for you, so decent is at your discretion. Just do not go any further left than your present heading. Contact Tower 19-1.
At our discretion, do not go left of our current heading. 01 Golf.
Greensboro approach, bearing 683 Delta is 4,280 on the heading. We had to have the field in sight.
Bearing 683 Delta Greensboro approach, roger.
I'm going to hit procedure, select approach. LS5 right.
730 Julia, knows their traffic.
Vectors.
Shiloh, radar search, terminate, squawk VFR, and frequency change.
We'll go ahead and activate it since I'm already on the heading.
Juliet.
It's in green needles. Alright.
Baron 3 Delta Delta, I tried to get you in before this guy, but you're going to be number 2 following a diamond, and he's just about to make a 9-mile straight in.
Roger, we'll start slowing.
Baron 3 Delta Delta, turn or right heading 350, report the field inside when you can.
350, we do have the field in sight, 3 Delta Delta.
Baron 3 Delta Delta, clear visual approach, runway 5 right.
Cleared visual 5 right, 3 Delta Delta.
Greensboro approach 49 Charlie at 3000.
8949 Charlie, Greensboro approach, welcome.
Greensboro Tower, bearing 683 Delta Delta is visual 5 right.
Baron 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro Tower, runway 5 right, cleared to land.
Clear land 5 right, 3 Delta Delta.
Diamond 0 Bravo Lima for wake turbulence, cleared low approach only.
Cleared low approach only, 0 Bravo Lima, can we get a lap in the pattern? We got to land here.
Diamond 0 Bravo Lima, affirmative, make right close traffic on the go.
Right close traffic on the go, 0 Bravo Lima. We do a stop and a taxi back, 0 Bravo Lima.
Sorry, say again?
Could we do a taxi back, 0 Bravo Lima?
That IFR flight plan might fall out, sir. That might be better for you.
Yeah, we'll do a lot better.
That's good. Delta 2461, turn right heading 070, contact departure.
Right 070, switching at departure, Delta 2461.
Alright, we're looking good. 2.3 descending. We're on glide slip on localizer. 3 set for a mist. He checked for full flaps. We'll get those when we get below 2,000.
Tower 0 Bravo Lima, make left close traffic for 5 left. You'll be number 1 and no issues on that side, and I'll get you on the go.
Left close traffic, 240 Bravo Lima. 5 left.
We're a little wind shear. We slow down, we slow down. We're gonna go below 122. Here goes our speed checks. Flaps are moving. And indicated. Our power up about 15, 16 inches or so.
0 Bravo Lima, runway 5 left, clear for the option. After completion of your option, maintain runway heading and maintain 3000.
Clear for the option, 5 left, maintain 3000. Runway heading, 240 Bravo Lima.
$500.
Altitude checks. We didn't load minimums in here because we knew it was FNR.
Greensboro Tower, Nerve 5288, visual 5 right.
Nerve 5288, Greensboro Tower, runway 5 right, clear to land.
5 right, clear land, Nerve 5288. And we'll check.
Wind 060 at 15.
Alright, y'all amps away. Power's coming off. Kilo 1, no problem, no more.
Baron 3 Delta Delta, turn left Kilo 1, ground point Niner.
Kilo 1, ground point Niner, 3 Delta Delta.
Allegiant 2627, Greensboro Tower, turn right heading 070, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff. Wind 06014, regional jet traffic, 6 mile final.
Right on departure, runway, on departure heading 070, clear for takeoff runway.
Ground bearing 683 Delta Delta is off Kilo 1, we're going to signature.
Baron 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro ground, taxi straight ahead to the ramp.
Straight ahead to the ramp, 3 Delta Delta. All right, well, thanks for riding along. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. It's the line guy jogging out. Run, Forrest, run.